Forex video update for Monday morning, Monday the 22nd of September. This is a chart of the euro. Well, don't really need to add much really once you look at this chart, do I? We're obviously in a bear trend. This nice little bear flag worked pretty perfectly last week when we finally plunged through it, so that's signalling the start of the next leg lower. We did get a decent bounce, which is a bit of a surprise on Thursday, but gave us good selling opportunities. We hit that trend line and we've come plunging back down again. Week close on Friday, week close for the day, and a week close for the week, in fact. So I'm looking for some more downside action in this pair for the week to follow. Cable can hopefully get back to normal now after last week's referendum. Friday we had the spike higher to, well, I had some resistance around 64.90 area. We reached this little short-term Fibonacci level of 65.18. We topped out at 65.24, and of course we've plunged. That's a pretty negative candle for cable on Friday. We're back below this trend line. This let me see now, 2-month trend line. So I think this the outlook's quite negative really for cable. We'll see if we break below this little trend channel that we've got here. I reckon we probably will. I think we're going to head lower along with the rest of the currencies against the dollar. No surprise that gold's going lower. It's exactly what we'd expected, just to continue this bear trend. I can't see any reason why it won't continue to go lower. Got some moving average crossovers happening here. 55-day crossing below the 100, and it's going to be crossing below the 200-day moving average possibly as soon as Monday or Tuesday. And just watch this 100-day moving average as well. Looks like it's going to be heading below the 200-day moving average in the days ahead, which is just going to be an added negative for longer term players. Yeah, I can't really see any reason why this gold market is going to suddenly reverse, not in the next few days anyway. We'll keep our eyes peeled because we are very oversold, but when a market is oversold in a bear trend, it doesn't mean buy it. So I think we stick with the trend, sell into rallies. It's working very, very nicely so far. Aussie dollar, exactly the same picture. It's just a complete picture of dollar strength, and selling any rally in the Aussie does look right. It certainly worked on Friday, and again a very weak close for the day, a very weak close for the week, and I just cannot see any reason why this is going to suddenly turn around and go up despite the oversold conditions. So again, stick with selling into rallies, I think. Dollar also very strong against the Japanese yen, so I'm going to sound like a broken record here, but stick with that dollar strength, and I think we buy into any weakness. It does look good for the dollar yen. I'm not interested in trying to pick any tops at the moment. I think it's much safer to just buy into weakness. So that pretty much sums it up. Perhaps another week of dollar strength, certainly the beginning of this week anyway.